dream of starting their own YouTube channel, making their first money online, and maybe even turning a hobby into a full-time job. But how much can you actually earn with a small channel? For example, a channel with around 2,000 subscribers. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I earned, how much work I put in, and whether it's worth it. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. All right, let's get into it. How do you actually make money on YouTube? The biggest part of YouTube income comes from advertising revenue. Companies, brands, and sometimes even individuals can run ads on YouTube. We as creators then receive a small share of what the advertiser pays. That's what we call AdSense revenue. You cannot choose which ads play on your videos. Sometimes you get high-paying ads, sometimes low-paying ones. That's completely automated by YouTube. There are a few small settings, but overall, the system decides for you. My channel's earnings. At the moment, I upload one video every single day. In the last 28 days, my videos generated around 83,000 views, which resulted in an estimated revenue of 326 euros in 1 month. That's not a full income, of course, but it's also not nothing. For a small channel, that's actually pretty solid. To give you more context, August, around 600 euros September, around 380 euros October so far, around 300 euros. Before that, the channel wasn't monetized, so I earned nothing. If this continued consistently, we could expect something like 4,000 euros per year, just from AdSense. How much work does this require? Surprisingly, not that much. Finding topics and headlines, 10 to 15 minutes a day. I simply follow news notifications and save relevant stories. Recording plus editing the video. About 30 minutes. The edit is simple and fast, so in total, I spend 30 to 45 minutes per day and earn around 10 euros per day. That's not life-changing, but for the time investment, it's reasonable. And remember, this is the beginning. The goal is to grow from here. What about other income sources? There are additional ways to earn money on YouTube. Channel memberships, brand deals, sponsorships, affiliate links, merchandise. However, in my niche, most of these are difficult. My videos are news-based. They are only relevant for 24 hours. Once new news appears, the previous video stops getting views. Also, my channel is not personality-driven. People watch for the information, not me as a creator. That means the audience doesn't form a personal connection. They don't join memberships. They don't buy recommended products. Sponsorships are rare. Affiliate marketing barely works. Pretty much anyone could replace me, and the channel would still work the same. And that's the key. This channel doesn't build a community. It just delivers information. So, what could work instead? The one extra income stream that could make sense here is merch. Simple shirts, mugs, or small themed items related to the subject of the channel. But I haven't tried that yet, and I'm curious what you think. So now, I want to hear from you. Would you continue working on this channel? Would you keep pushing daily uploads? Or would you try a different strategy? Write your thoughts in the comments. I really want to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and bye for now.